Hello guys, so in our previous video I showed you that we're already preparing the site where we want to plant tomatoes. We are looking at over 30,000 stands of tomato. I showed you the space where we are preparing to do that, and right now we have started the installation for water supply. As you can see, these are the installation materials. You can see the drip tips, the connectors, the lay flats. You can also see the end lock, all the installation materials, as you can see them right here. And of course, we've done the installations. You can see how we've laid the lay flats, run the water supply from the water source. You can see the PVC pipes, run the water supply down to the farm. You can see the lay flat and the drip tips connected to each of the ridges. And of course, we've also drilled holes and applied manure. These are poultry manures, as you can see, poultry manures on each of the spots where we are supposed to plant. We've opened them up and we already applied poultry manure. As you can see, there are poultry manure in okay, these are still the connections of the drip tips. As you can see how we connected the drip tips to each of the ridges. So we have manure at every spot where we want to plant. That is the first thing you do after making your ridges. You run your drip tips. You now use the drip tips to now get the actual places you want to plant, and we apply manure in each of the spots. After application of manure, we now apply agric lime. So those white substance are agric lime. We're trying to do this in bid to prepare the spot or the land we want to plant to have a very good soil condition before we transplant. This is agric lime we're applying in each of the spots where we want to plant. So after applying this agric lime, we'll go ahead to apply what we call nematicides. Those nematicides is to help the root of the plants when we plant our tomatoes. So it is a stage by stage process. We are doing agric lime right now. So after applying the agric lime, we'll go ahead to apply nematicides still on the same spot where we're going to plant to protect the root of our young tomato seedlings. And after that, we will now do the transplanting proper. So stay tuned and I will keep you posted when we start transplanting. See you guys in our next video. Bye for now.
Morning sun rising, dew on the leaves, roosters announcing new hopes to believe.